Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're crocheting a beautiful handmade flower with a detailed center, soft petals, a long stem, and a lovely leaf that can be used as a bag charm, keychain, home decor, or a sweet handmade gift. So if you enjoy crochet tutorials like this, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. But your support truly motivates us to create more patterns. Please watch until the end to help our channel grow. Prepare 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. And now let's get started. First, we'll make the flower center, also called the pistil. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring, then slip stitch to close. Keep your stitches tight so the center looks neat and compact. Great start. Next to round 2, chain 1 and make 6 increases, then slip stitch. You should have 12 stitches now. Take your time and count carefully. Accuracy makes your flower look professional. For round 3, chain 1 and repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, then slip stitch. You're building beautiful volume here. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Next, round 4. Chain 1 and repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet 6 times, then slip stitch. The circle is expanding evenly. Wonderful work. For round 5, chain 1 and crochet 24 single crochets around, then slip stitch. This round stabilizes the shape, so keep your tension consistent and smooth. Round 6, chain 1 and repeat 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet 6 times, then slip stitch. The center now starts forming dimension. Make your decreases neat and tight. For round 7, chain 1 and repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times, then slip stitch. And your flower center is complete. Beautiful job, you should be proud already. Now we will make the petals. We need to make 5 petals in total. Take your time, repetition makes perfection. For each petal, round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets, then slip stitch. Next to round 2, chain 1 and make 6 increases, slip stitch. For round 3, chain 1 and repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, then slip stitch. For rounds 4 to 6, chain 1 and crochet 18 single crochets each round, slip stitch at the end of every round. Maintain even tension so all petals are the same size. Keep going, you're doing great. Round 7, chain 1 and repeat 4 single crochets and 1 decrease 3 times, then slip stitch. The petal begins to gently close. It's looking lovely already. Next, round 8, chain 1 and repeat 3 single crochets and 1 decrease 3 times, slip stitch. Almost done with 1 petal. For round 9, chain 1 and crochet 12 single crochets, then slip stitch. 1 petal is complete. Repeat the same steps until you have 5 beautiful petals. Now let's crochet the stem. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 8 single crochets, then slip stitch. Keep it firm and tight. For rounds 2 to 22, chain 1 and crochet 8 single crochets around. This creates a long, elegant stem. Work steadily and keep your stitches consistent. Tip: you can insert floral wire inside the stem if you want extra stability. Round 23, chain 1 and make 8 increases. The top of the stem starts widening to connect with the flower. For round 24, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 8 times. Count carefully to keep it even. Round 25, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, and your stem is complete. Fantastic work! Finally, let's crochet the leaf. Chain 10, skip 1 stitch, make 2 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochets, 1 single crochet, make 1 bobble stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 increase, and slip stitch to finish. The bobble stitch adds beautiful texture to the leaf. now your crochet flower is complete. You can attach it to bags, use it as a keychain, decorate your workspace, or gift it to someone special. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to watch until the end. Your support truly helps us create more inspiring crochet patterns. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. See you in the next video.